invention by this weird ancient dudes called AcceleRacers.
That's what you call real?
Tesla recruited the best drivers for the world race.
Yeah, it was me, Kurt, Toro, and... Doesn't matter.
All Tesla wanted was the wheel of power at the end of the track.
Hey, Taro! Wild here! Hey! This isn't a race!
It's always a race.
Vert, it's been a long time.
Good to see you again. Is that Tesla?
My name is Kadim. Who are you?
He's just a freaky little metal maniac, Kadim.
That means he's the best, like me and Taro, huh?
The real drivers are Teku.
Yes, I see how it is.
You get everything straightened out back home?
My people will have to wait, because this cannot.
So if this is so important, it must pay a lot, right? Is that a yes?
Tesla has built a new headquarters where no one can find him. Stay behind me and match my speed.
That's impossible.
Whoa, check it out.
Welcome to the AcceleRacers.